Wow, a TradingView strategy that has a 65% win rate and will triple my profits? Now I want to know how I can do that because I need the money. So in this video I will investigate if the time relative volume indicator and range filter buy and sell indicators together will give me a 65% win rate and altogether triple my profits. I tested on futures and spot trading and got a staggering hypothetical profit of 1300% on one of these two trading types. So watch this video until the end to see which trading type has the potential to let you actually make money and see how good this strategy really is. In my search for the really successful trading strategies and algorithms, I recently found this trading strategy video, and here the time range value oscillator and range filter buy and sell indicators are used to create a trading strategy that has a 65% win rate and according to the title will triple your profits. And who doesn't want to have their profits tripled? So let's go over this trading strategy step by step. The trading strategy can be used for both long and short positions, and it uses the time relative volume oscillator and the range filter buy and sell indicators. So let's add these to the chart. Now both indicators are used with their default values, only the TRVO should be set to delta in this display mode to see the exit signals. To enter a trade for a long position, the range filter indicator should have a buy label on candle close. The initial stop loss should be placed at the far side of the range filter line. Now let the trade go until one of the following exit signals present themselves. Now the smooth line should be watched closely because when 3 full green volume bars have closed below the smooth green line, then the trade should be exited. Or the smooth line that was above the zero line crosses below its zero line. And this is also an exit indicator. Now for short positions these signals are reversed. So wait for a sell signal from the range filter indicator and place a stop loss at the range filter's high band, which is the gray line here. Monitor the red smooth volume until you observe 3 red volume bars appearing above it. Or when the smooth volume indicator crosses above its zero line. That's the second exit indicator. And these are the relative simple rules that promise you to triple your trading profits. Now if you follow my channel, then you already know that I always code these results into an algorithm so that I can do automatic backtests over a large dataset, over multiple asset pairs and over multiple timeframes. And this way I get a good generic overview of the performance of the strategy when I want to use it in crypto trading. It also prevents a range of biases that can creep into the analysis and presentation of these trading performances. Now if you want to get this Python code to make use of it for your own backtesting on your own preferred crypto pairs or want to use it for your trading bot, then you can download all this from my Patreon page. And for those who are beginning with algorithmic trading, for you I have written this book with all the information to get you up to speed by creating your own trading bot, start creating your own algorithms and do extensive analysis on your backtest results before doing actual live trading. I tested this strategy's performance by doing futures trading and also doing only spot markets and got the following results on my setup. In futures trading, this strategy gave me a hypothetical results of 669% profit on the 1-day time frame. All the time frames didn't prove to be such good ones to use this strategy on. Now the win rate was 43%, which is actually quite common for a trend trading strategy, so nothing special here. The average wins and losses are quite matched up against each other, and this is a positive thing because you don't want to see too many losses after another, psychological speaking of course. Now the drawdown is also quite low for a trend trading strategy, and also the performance indicators are moderately positive for this algorithm. However, only slightly above 50% of the trading pairs favor this algo, so expect that not all your pairs do well in trading. Now the build-up of the equity is always an interesting chart, and here it shows that at the start of the last crypto bull market, this algorithm caught some very favorable trades, which made the performance spike up like crazy. After that the curve got less steep but still managed to make money even under more bearish circumstances. As said, the drawdown was also pretty low, and here are 2 spikes at the most bearish moments during the last bull run, over which I tested out this algorithm. Another interesting chart here is the duration of the trades, and on average most of the trades last only 400 minutes or so. Now the amount of long and short trades is almost perfectly even, And as an exit signal, the smooth delta line was the reason this strategy had most profits. Now I can do a run over this complete report, but that would take way too long, and you can analyze the report yourself if you download it from my Patreon site. Now in spot trading we only do long trades, and the amount of profit I got from trading only longs here is really surprising. Again, we can see that on the larger time frames this strategy has the most potential, and the 5-minute time frame actually performed the worst. So I actually have no idea where the original video got that 65% win rate from. There is simply not enough information on the video to check that out. All the other performance indicators here are reasonably comparable with the futures trading results, only the drawdown is slightly worse than the futures trading. Nonetheless, these results speak for themselves. And the equity curve here starts out slowly, but the initial phase of the previous bull market make it go moonshot, and only after the market cooled down, the performance got a little bit worse again. And you can see there is even a short moment where the amount of winning trades was actually a little bit larger than the amount of losing trades during this period. Now in this plot we see that the periods in which the drawdown lasts are pretty long, and there is a slow bleed in funds, but when the markets turn bullish again, then the strategy picks up again its momentum, and then the losses are quickly dissolved and turned into profits. And these profits are mainly caused by the 3 bars that gets below the smooth line, while the exit where the smooth line gets below the 0 line actually causes some losing trades. But overall you can see that using this trading strategy in both futures and in spot trading certainly has potential to make you money in the market. For a strategy that only uses 2 free TradingView indicators, it is reasonably well thought out. And with some additional confirmation rules or an indicator that determines bullish and bearish circumstances, it probably can perform even better. Another good thing here is its simplicity, because this way you can also use it in manual trading. So you don't have to use a trading bot to trade very complicated trading rules here. Also, as a reminder, swing trading strategies do have the tendency to only have around 40% of winning trades, so it is key here to make the losing trades lose less money while maximizing the profits of these winning trades. Now in my total strategy league, these strategies do end up in the lower half of the league, but this is understandable because of the simplicity of this strategy. But all in all, I think this strategy is worthwhile investigating more if you want to do some simple trading on higher time frames. And these are my conclusions for now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like what I do, then smash the like button and click subscribe for more videos in the future. Again, all the code, reports and results are downloadable from my Patreon page for maximum transparency and your own usage. My book for beginners in algorithmic trading can be found on Amazon for those who are interested in starting out in this great field, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!